Hey everyone, it's Xenion Omega back here with another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the DX Chain Array and Claw Raise Buckle set and the Monster Raise Buckle. So first, let's go ahead and take a look at the Chain Array and Claw box. We have Geets and Tycoon and our raise buckles, instructions, and for the Monster Buckle, you have Punk Jack and Geets and the Monster Buckle and the Punk Jack ID core. Here's everything on the box. And now, our raise buckles. So here is the Chain Array raise buckle. Here's the Claw raise buckle. And here is the Monster Raise Buckle. And I almost forgot the Punk Jack ID core. And that is basically everything you get out of the boxes by themselves. So I'm gonna go get the desired driver and let's just start using them. Alright, so here is the desired driver. So let's go ahead and insert the Punk Jack ID. And let's first use the Claw Raise Buckle. And now, our Chain Array Buckle. And now we're going to use the Chain Array Buckle with the Claw Buckle. And now we are going to use the Monster Buckle. And now we're going to use the Monster Buckle with Boost. And now we are going to use the raised buckles in the Magnum shooter. Starting off with chain array.
Chain array. Chain array. Tactical blast.
And next up, claw.
Tactical blast.
And last but not least, the monster buckle.
Monster. Monster. Tactical blast.
So that is that. So there was the chain array and claw raised buckle set, as well as the monster raised buckle. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and be sure to also check out some of my other videos for more entertainment. If you want to know where I got this, I got it off of Toe Collectibles. I'll leave a link in the description so you can buy them and check them out. And I'm pretty much sure that's it. So, I'm Zenny Omega, signing out.